Welcome to Brain Extension, Tech and AI. In this first technology episode, we're going to answer a deceptively simple question. What is technology, really? Most people think of technology as gadgets, phones, laptops, smart devices. But technology is much broader than that. At its core, technology is the application of knowledge to solve practical problems. A hammer is technology. A printing press is technology. Software, networks, and cloud platforms are simply modern forms of the same idea. To understand modern technology, we must understand computers, because nearly all modern technology is built on top of them. So let's break it down from the ground up. A computer is a machine that processes information. It takes input, performs operations, and produces output. That's it. No magic. Inside every computer are four fundamental components: the processor, memory, storage, and input-output systems. The processor, also called the CPU, is the brain of the computer. It executes instructions one by one at extremely high speed. These instructions are very simple operations like adding numbers, comparing values, or moving data from one place to another. Memory, or RAM, is where the computer keeps data it is actively using. When you open an application, its data is loaded into memory so the processor can access it quickly. Storage, such as a hard drive or solid-state drive, holds data long-term. This includes your operating system, applications, and files. Input and output systems allow the computer to interact with the outside world. Keyboards, mice, screens, networks, and sensors all fall into this category. Now let's talk about software. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. These instructions are written in programming languages like Python, JavaScript, or C++. But at the lowest level, everything is converted into machine code, ones and zeros. The processor doesn't understand words. It understands electrical signals that represent binary values. This abstraction is what makes modern technology powerful. You don't need to think about transistors and voltage levels to build complex systems. Higher-level tools handle that complexity for you. When you open a website, your computer sends a request over the internet to a server. That server processes the request, retrieves data from a database, and sends a response back to your browser. This entire process happens in milliseconds. This is called the client-server model, and it's one of the most important concepts in technology. As systems grow larger, they introduce concepts like cloud computing, virtualization, and distributed systems. Instead of one computer doing all the work, tasks are spread across many machines for speed, reliability, and scalability. Technology evolves by layering new abstractions on top of old ones. You don't need to understand every layer at once. The key is to build a mental model of how systems fit together. As we continue this series, we'll explore operating systems, networks, programming, databases, and system design, step by step, without skipping foundations. For now, remember this: technology is not about tools. It's about systems working together to solve problems efficiently. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into how computers actually execute programs. Subscribe to Brain Extension. Let's expand our minds together.